week's worth of clothes into a backpack, a carry-on? How is it possible? First things first, I want to make a really strong point. Before you go anywhere, be sure to print everything out. Oh, where's proof of your registration? Where's proof of payment that you paid for your ticket? Because that does happen sometimes, believe it or not, and I have proof every single time, no matter where I go. So that's important. One, just remember, one is all you need. The only thing that you need more than one of are underwear and t-shirts. That's it. Because shorts and pants and jackets you can wear several times before you have to wash them. For me at least. 8 shirts, 8 socks, 10 underwear. Those are the things I'm going to be changing. That's it. That's how I fit everything into this lovely Stratos 50. Space and room for everything I could possibly need. Roll everything up nice and neat. Socks, undies, foldable backpack. It's a day pack that is the most convenient thing on the planet. All I have to do is unfold it. I put my camera equipment in there. If you're like me, who has a body that doesn't metabolize food, or you want to find shirts that are thick enough to hide your gut, because I'm bound to gain weight from the street food, but not too thick to take up too much space in your bag. Ah yes, how do you differentiate the clean clothes from the dirty clothes? Is whatever's dirty, I just turn inside out and roll it back up. But with socks, take the sock, you put it inside of the other sock, and then you roll it. So that way you know when you reach for a sock and it looks like this, that means it's dirty. Travel bag, some toothpaste, floss, moisturizer, etc. An adapter. I always carry this wherever I go. A lock. Power. Portable. They say this one's solar powered, but whatever. It's cool. And it has this really dope light that's really strong. What? That's how I roll. And I have a phone case. With my phone, it lasts about a day and a half to 2 days. I have 2 of those actually. I travel with 2. Good stuff to have. That's pretty much it. A month and 1 backpack. This is all I need and I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm excited. My plane leaves in about 3 hours.